In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock your profile on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. So when you lock your profile, it means people cannot see your activities on the Facebook account. However, they'll be able to search you, but they'll not be able to see anything you post on your Facebook account. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this account option here to display your menu. Then under this, tap on your name and then head over to these three dots here, these ellipses, and then tap on it. Now under this, you'll see this option called lock profile. And then once you tap on it, we have an option to lock our profile. So before you lock profile, you have to note that only friends will be able to see your past and future photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Also, only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. Also, you have to note that people will still be able to see public posts you are tagged in. They'll also be able to search for you and send you friend requests. And now it's time to go ahead and lock your profile by simply tapping on lock profile. Once you tap on this, confirm by tapping on OK. And as you can see here, you locked your profile. So by following these steps, you'll be able to lock your Facebook profile. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.